I have purchased quite a few things from the luxury store from the Nykaa. So I will be one by one showing it to you. So I have segregated this video in a two part. Like part one is like I have done in a Nykaa store, like a normal Nykaa haul video, and number two is a Nykaa Lux video. So this video is a Nykaa Lux store video. Hello, welcome back to Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love during this chill season. Your pal is back with another video. If you finish up something or if you need something in real, then only go for it. You don't have to be like unnecessary pick up things if you don't need and pile up because you're not going out, and don't pile up things. It might get expired, right? So one thing I don't like about Nykaa is that unnecessarily उन लोग मतलब like ऐसे box मुझे like this sort of box मुझे 2-3 receive हुआ था, and there was no point of like इसी में शायद like this one box में it will like fit all the products. फिर भी they prefer to send it like in 3 to 4 boxes, which I generally don't like. So if you haven't watched the normal video of what I have purchased from the normal Nykaa store, so go and check it out. After watching this video, I will post the link somewhere in the above or in the description down below. So don't forget to watch that video as well. So I have purchased this Laneage water sleeping mask, and this is from a Korean brand. So you can see the packaging. So it comes under this cardboard packaging, and also you will get a leaflet. And this is a glass bottle, and you will get a huge tub. You are getting it. And I've heard a lot of good things, reviews about this product, and I wanted to use it. इसके साथ मुझे freebie भी मिला है, like a smaller version of that, like कितना बहुत कम 15 ml का प्रोडक्ट था. And I also got this multi deep cleanser face wash from the same brand Laneage. So this is all what I have got. And next I have again purchased from a Korean brand. I don't know, I have been like recently I've been loving Korean brands a lot. So I bought this Innisfree green tea serum, and it's priced for rupees 1950, but I have got it in an offer like 10% off. Like generally Innisfree की this bottle में कभी offer नहीं रहता. So this is the bottle. So ये एकदम बड़ा bottle नहीं है, इससे भी बड़ा bottle मिलता है. So I will use it and I will be giving you my honest review. So I have purchased this green tea one because मेरा जो skin type है वो थोड़ा combination है, जैसे कि like I generally get acne, थोड़ा मोड़ा acne होता है. So I have been wanting to try this Innisfree one from a like longest time. And this is a huge price product, like almost a 2000 rupees product. Like if you have a big budget and you have been saving a lot, then only you invest in it, otherwise. So and also I've got this product 3-minute green tea skin pack as a freebie. So this is I've got a free. So let's check like what it is. Like they have given that 100 sheets. So you will be getting this type of sheets. Okay. So I purchased one of the most loved product of mine is that Kama Ayurvedic Rose Toner. Like I love this rose water a lot. Like whenever I feel very like low or whenever I feel my skin feels very dull, what I do is that I love to spray it in my face. Like so it is a makeup fixer for me. If you don't have a makeup fixer, go and like just grab a this is a natural makeup fixer that you can have. Like this is a product that you can restock again, and this is a price, like it's a pricier product, but you won't regret buying these. So I have got this for rupees 290 rupees, and I have been loving this product a lot. And it's a 50 ml product for rupees 300 rupees, which I've already said that this is a quite bit costlier. You are assured that you are getting a like authentic rose water. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको नकली rose water मिल रहा है. Like I don't want to name few brands, but आपको authentic rose water मिल रहा है. After that I have purchased the lipstick. So this is a Smashbox lipstick. This is a very demanding and a very like most hyped and the most loved also product. So they have collaborated with Sobita. So she's an actress, and if you have watched Maiden Heaven, she was there. So the shade of this two lipstick are the Gulabe, which is this one, the nude one, and the shade of the red one, the name of this shade is the Bauxite, which is deep red, which is perfect for the bride. If you want to see the swatch of this lipstick and if you want to see the complete review of the lipstick, so you have to go and watch my review video, which is coming on Thursday. So don't forget to watch it down. These two minis are only available on Nykaa. There are some limited edition like lipsticks. During the sale, what I've seen that after purchasing this product, I have seen that this product is out of stock. Like I was one of the last person to like purchase this one, and after that I have seen that it was out of stock. If you are not finding out in online, you can go on the Nykaa store like anywhere in your city and you can get this product, and if they have a stock of it as well. So now it's a wedding season, so if you are looking for that perfect red color, so this is one for you. So these are all things that I've spent my money on the luxury store. So I hope you're gonna like this haul video. So with that, I'm signing off today. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and do share and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to press the notification bell as well as the subscribe button so that you get notification whenever I post a new video. Love you. Take care. Bye.
Run free and dive into the sky.